Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. In this video we will explain you how to cross the border between Costa Rica and Panama. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. If you want to travel from Costa Rica to Panama, you can either fly or choose the overland route as a cheaper and a more environmentally friendly alternative. In this video we show you what you should consider when entering Panama and give you helpful hints for the border crossing. Panama can be reached by land in several places from Costa Rica. We crossed the border at Sixaola, south of Puerto Viejo, but the general tips apply to all other borders as well, such as Paso Canoas. The border in Sixaola includes a steel bridge over the border river Rio Sixaola. It is important to note that in addition to your valid passport, as in many Central and South American countries, you will need to provide proof of your onward travel. You have to prove that you intend to leave Panama within the next 90 days after your entry and that you are not trying to immigrate illegally. As proof, you usually need a plane ticket confirming your departure from Panama. Bus tickets are usually not accepted. If you don't have an onward ticket yet, you should definitely book one beforehand or rent one on platforms like rentaticket.com. Otherwise, it is possible that you will not be allowed to enter the country. Currently, all entrants must fill out a declaration of health status online. In the declaration, you indicate, for example, that you have been vaccinated against COVID and have no symptoms of diseases. At the border, you only have to show the QR code received after filling in the declaration. Links to the health declaration and all other information can be found in the video description below. Entry into Panama is possible for fully vaccinated persons without testing requirements. Unvaccinated people need to be aware of the current regulations. Testing and quarantine requirements change frequently. If you have a plane ticket to leave the country, the QR code, and your valid passport, you're already in a good position. However, it is not possible without money, or more precisely, not without US dollars. First, you have to pay a fee of $6 for the exit stamp from Costa Rica at a small cashier's office on the left side about 30 meters before the steel arch bridge. With the proof of payment, you go further in the direction of the bridge and stand in line at the exit counter. There you will get your exit stamp and cross the bridge on your own. Be sure to take care of your belongings. Arriving on the other side of the bridge, it is often quite busy and you will be greeted directly by many cab drivers and asked where you want to go. But make sure that you get your entry stamp from Panama from the border officials, otherwise you may have to pay a fine later on when you leave the country. For the entry, you need the mentioned documents and $10 in cash. In rare cases, for various reasons or excuses, you may have to push additional cash to the officials in addition to the $10 entry fee, but fortunately this was not the case with us. Be aware of the times when the border counters are open and plan enough time. You should definitely avoid arriving at the border shortly before the counter closes, because the crossing usually takes at least 2 hours depending on the rush. In the worst case, you stand in line and the counter closes. Then you have to get accommodation directly at the border, which are not very attractive. If you take all this into account, your border crossing should go smoothly. Have fun with it, and if you liked the video, feel free to leave a like and a subscription. We wish you a sunny day. See you!